How can I customize my menu bar or toolbar in different software applications?
Welcome everyone! Today, we're going to discuss how you can customize your menu bar and toolbar in different software applications. This can be a fantastic way to optimize your workflow and ensure that the tools you use the most are always at your fingertips.
Why customize your menu bar and toolbar?
Customizing your menu bar and toolbar can greatly improve your productivity. By having your most frequently used tools readily available, you can save time and make your work more efficient. This is especially useful in software applications that have numerous functions, such as Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, or Excel.
Customizing in Microsoft Office applications.
In most Microsoft Office applications like Word or Excel, the process of customizing your toolbar is quite straightforward. 1. Right-click on the toolbar at the top of the application. This will open a context menu. 2. Select Customize the ribbon. 3. In the new window that appears, you can choose commands from the left column and add them to the groups in the right column. 4. You can also create new tabs and groups to further organize your commands.
Customizing in Adobe Photoshop.
Customizing your toolbar in Adobe Photoshop is a bit different. 1. Go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. 2. Select Toolbar. 3. This opens a dialog box that allows you to drag and drop the tools you want into the toolbar.
Customizing in other applications.
While every application is different, they often have a similar approach to toolbar customization. 1. Look for options like Customize Toolbar or Edit Toolbar in the application settings or preferences. 2. From there, you can usually add, remove, or rearrange tools to fit your needs. By customizing your menu bar and toolbar, you can create a more personalized and efficient workspace in your software applications. Remember, the exact process might vary from one application to another, but don't be afraid to explore and experiment. Happy customizing!